How to use voice threads on Instagram Threads app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use voice threads on Instagram Threads app. For this, launch open the Threads app on your device. Now tap on the What's New option over here. Here you can find different icons. You want to tap on the mic icon over here. If you do not find this, then you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Threads app. So to check, you can open up Play Store or App Store and search for Threads. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After that, tap on Open. Now go ahead and tap on this mic icon. Once you are done recording, you want to press on the same red button and your thread voice will be recorded in this way. Now, if you want to again record it, then tap on this arrow button or tap on the done option if this is the one that you want to post. Now, this is how the voice thread is going to look like. You can tap on the hashtag option and then add a hashtag over here. You can also add a location if you want. Now tap on the post option over here. As you can see, your voice thread has been successfully posted. You just want to tap on this play icon and then play your voice thread, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.